Okay.
But if that,
So first we have to drill the top of the shock shaft for the roll pin that will ultimately hammer through. Your new shocks will likely not come drilled from the factory, given that they don't have any kind of natural stop in the top of the shock. So the key here is that the head likely does not have a straight hole. So we've actually scribed which direction this hole faces. This one has a slight lean to the left. So we're going to try to match that with our drill. And drill carefully.
No pilot yet. Hole first.
No, because it'll wander.
Yeah, but it's captured.